Hello, everyone! Today, let's learn how to weave sunflower pendants. This is the prepared material. First, the part of the crochet core. Hold the thread with your right hand, wrapped from top to bottom on the little finger of the left hand. Bypass index finger, around from back to front. Circle the middle finger. Leave a little thread. Take out the crochet. Crochet into coil windings. Hook head down. Hook the line out. Then hook and wound. Lift this coil up. Hook it head down and hook it out. Hook 6 short needles in this coil. Crochet into the coil. Crochet from the bottom up. Hook head down. Hook the line out. Then pull up a little bit. Now there are 2 coils on the crochet. Crochet winding. Hook head down. Crochet lift up. Then hook the line out. A short needle is done. Make 1 mark buckle. Crochet the remaining 5 short needles. Crochet into coil windings. Bring the line out. Pull up a little bit. Crochet winding. Merge the 2 coils. The second short needle is hooked. Three, 4, 5, 6 completed. Elongate the coil. A braid represents a stitch. The stitch for the marking buckle is the first stitch. Make a marking buckle on the 6th short needle. Tighten this thread. Crochet into the first stitch. This stitch for the marking buckle. To hook the thread out. There are 2 coils on the crochet. Thread the first coil into the second coil. This coil doesn't count as a needle. Crochet out. Small. Stand a lock pin. Crochet wire is passed through this coil. The second circle is to hook 6 short needles and add needles. Crochet into the first stitch. Take the mark off. Crochet winding. Hook a short needle. Mark the first pin. Penetrate the first needle again. Hook another short needle. A short needle and needle crochet is done. Insert the next stitch. Hook a short needle. Pierce the same needle again and hook a short needle. The second needle crochet is completed. The next 4 needles will be hooked according to this rule. Once a week, crochet goes into the needle hole first. Mark buckled off. Continue to hook the last stitch and add the needle. Crochet into the first stitch. The wire goes directly through the coil on the crochet. Reduce the coil. Then hook a lock pin. After hooking, connecting, and pulling. The third circle is a short needle and an additional needle. 6 sets of hooks, 18 stitches after hooking. Hook a short needle first. Mark buckled off. After hooking the short needle, buckle the mark. The next needle is a short needle plus a needle. Reinsert the same pin hook short needle. 1 short needle and 1 plus needle as a group, a total of 6 sets of hooks. Continue to hook the remaining 5 sets. 1 short needle, next needle, short needle plus needle. The second set is hooked and the rest is crocheted by itself. The last needle is a short needle plus a needle. Make a mark buckle. Then connect the lead with the first pin. Stand a lock pin. The fourth circle is 2 short needles and 1 plus needle, a total of 6 sets of hooks. Crochet into the first stitch. Take the mark off. Hook a short needle on the first needle. Mark the button. Hook another short needle. Next needle hook. Add needle for short needle. 2 short needles, 1 plus needles, are a group with a total of 6 groups of hooks. Repeat crochet. The second set is crocheted. Just follow this pattern to finish the circle. Complete the connection and pull with the first pin. Length the thread and cut it. A total of 2 pieces need to be crocheted. Look at the core. The front is textured. There is a bar on the back. Face the back of the flower core to the back. The excess thread is hidden in the flower core. Or cut the thread. Crochet into the first stitch. and the final stitch of another piece. Take the mark off. Start crocheting petals. Place this thread behind the fabric. Press it with your middle finger. To hook the thread out, hide the thread when hooking. Stand a lock pin. Hook a medium and long needle. Crochet thread into this stitch. Put this yellow thread on top of the crochet. Crochet winding. Hook line out. There are 3 coils on the crochet. Crochet winding merges 3 coils at a time. This is a medium and long needle. Bottom hook needle. Winding tape out. Stretch it out a little bit. Now there are 3 coils on the crochet. Crochet winding first merges the front 2 coils. The winding is after merging the 2 coils. This is the long needle. Pick up to locking pins. Wrap it through. Wrap it through. Put the excess thread in the flower core. Then hold it down. Hook a long needle first. Crochet thread into the next stitch. The next needle is a medium and long needle. The crochet winding is still hooked in this stitch. Hook line out. Winding merges 3 coils at a time. Then hook a lock pin. Hook 1 lead needle in the next entry. One petal flower crochet finished. Just follow this method to finish the circle. One circle is 12 petals. Then keep hooking. Hook a lock pin first. Penetrate the 3rd needle. Hook a medium and long needle. Hook a long needle in the same thread. Followed by 2 locking pins. Next needle hooks a long needle. Hook 1 medium and long needle in the same thread. One lock pin. Next stitch pull. Two petals complete. Next, crochet yourself according to the rules just mentioned and crochet the circle. It has hooked to the last petal. There is one last stitch left. Continue crocheting.